CVB.one claims to offer free Robux just by entering your Roblox username and completing a few simple tasks. But is it really that easy? Or is there a hidden catch waiting for unsuspecting users? Let's be honest, whenever a website promises free in-game currency with almost no effort, it's natural to feel both curious and skeptical. I gave CVB.one a full try to see if it actually delivers what it promises, and what I discovered raises more red flags than rewards. Right after entering the username, you're immediately pulled into a chain of redirects, asked to complete questionable surveys, download random apps, or watch endless ads, all while being told you're just one step away from getting your Robux. The catch? That one step keeps moving further away. I followed every instruction, spent a decent amount of time trying to fulfill the tasks, and at the end of it all, 0 Robux. Nothing showed up in the account, no confirmation, no reward. It became clear that the real goal of the site isn't to give out Robux, but to generate traffic, collect user data, and possibly profit off users' engagement with third-party offers. What's even more alarming is that CVB.one has no official ties to Roblox, and using your real username on unverified platforms always comes with a risk, especially if you're prompted to provide more sensitive info later. This review isn't to say it's a confirmed scam with malicious intent, but based on the experience, it definitely leans closer to being misleading and potentially unsafe. If you're someone who values your online security and your Roblox account, I highly recommend steering clear of sites like these. Free Robux may sound tempting, but remember, if something feels too good to be true, it usually is. Stick to official Roblox methods and stay smart online.